Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are doing project number 2 with the July Paper Pumpkin kit called Sweeter Than You. So I've got my card base. I've got my pink banner. Got my circle banner. I've got 2 of the little white flowers. I've got my strawberry and I've got my piece of vellum. So first thing I need to do is I need to stamp my thank you. So again, I'm just going to pull in my Versamark and just ink up my Versamark a little bit. Okay, bring in my stamp spot and we're going to do the thank you. Okay, and then we're going to pop that down. Okay. That off to the side, and then we're going to do the little greeting banner with "You're the best." Okay, and if you're wondering why I've got Garden Green written on the bottom of my Stampin' spot, that is because I store them upside down in a bin, and that way I can see which is which. Okay, so I need to build this now. So I need my piece of vellum. Okay. And it looks like we're building this onto the piece of vellum and then attaching the whole thing to the front. So it's telling me I need to put dimensionals in 3 spots on the thank you. So there's the thank you, it's the correct side up. So I need to put 1 at the top, 1 here, and 1 here, and it looks like I need to tuck this on like this and put a dimensional across both to hold it in place. Okay, and I'm not entirely sure how I've mounted the "You're the best," but I might do that afterwards with the flowers. It looks like the "You're the best" and the flowers are going to need Stampin' spots on them, or Stampin' dots on them, so adhesive dots. So I'm just going to pop that down like that, that down like that, and then I'm just going to put adhesive dots in the middle of this one because I'm not entirely sure where it's going to land when I stick it down. Okay, so then I need to put this whole thing on the vellum. So I'm going to peel these off. Okay. And now the vellum goes... Okay, I'm going to do this way around. This is the vellum. The thank you goes on the top half of this, like this. Okay, so I'm going to pick that whole thing up. So this one is not on the vellum, and that's fine. I'm going to grab some tear-in tape, and I'm going to put it behind the unit so that you can't see it on the front of the vellum. So I'm going to put a piece of tear-in tape here, like that, and then a piece of tear-in tape here like this. And then we're going to peel that off. Like this. Okay, make sure we've got the card the right way, and it is. We're going to pop this down like this. Okay, so that's adhered down now. We're going to take our flowers and we're going to put 1 on the strawberry like this. And oh, come on. Can't get the back off this one. There we go. And 1 up here like this. And then we've got our greeting to put on. And so let's peel those two off the middle there. It's "You're the best," and it's going here like this. This flower actually needs to come down a little bit. So we're just going to pop that off. This is going to go here like this. I'm just going to stick it down. There we go. And then the flower, it's supposed to go over this, but this is dimensionalized. So again, I'm going to add a dimensional to the back of this. And we're going to pop this down, overlapping like that. Okay, so that is project number 2 from the July Paper Pumpkin Kit called Sweeter Than You. So stay tuned for project number 3.